Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Payroll module and click on Payroll. Go to Process and then to Advance and Loan. Now go to Gratuity Loan Management and click on Gratuity Installment. Navigate to New Loan Request and click on New Loan Request. Enter the request date on which the employee has requested. Enter the employee whom employee requested the gratuity installment. Enter the loan amount requested by employee. Enter the installments amount as required. Select the payroll month as per company payroll month. Add remarks why employee need gratuity installment. Click on Create Request. You can also approve your request by clicking on Approve button. Click on Approve Request button. A Gratuity Loan Management System, GLMS, is a specialized tool that manages loans provided against the gratuity entitlement of employees.